Right here is the Hud-Son slabber mill. It features a 52-inch diameter log. That's the diameter. It has a 48-inch width between the guides, so you can cut a 48-inch tabletop, bar top, coffee table, whatever wonderful creation you guys can think of. This mill is pretty awesome. We detuned it a little bit, keeping it as simple as possible. We got 19-inch van wheels on there, a commercial power Vanguard 23 horse electric start motor, 5-gallon lube tank. You know, a big thick log like this, you're going to need to run a lube. It's simple. A lot of people ask what the lube is. It's just a soapy water mixture, about an ounce of soap to a gallon of water. And you got a flow control on here where you can increase, decrease. Usually just a steady drip is all you need to keep some of the pitch off your blade and keep it a little cool as you're cutting through a log. The log that we have here today is a large oak log. You got a manual crank here for your up and down. Again, we're doing what we can to keep this mill simple and affordable for many people. Hud-Son slabber has the true 4-post carriage that Hud-Son's famous for. It's using a 2x2 box frame steel. Very durable and sturdy. Throttle up and start on.